Hello viewers, this is Anil Kumar Pradhan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn Social Studies. Today in this video we will discuss about major rivers of India. Do you know which river does not join any lake or sea or ocean? Which rivers flows towards west? Which river is known as Ganga in South India? Which is the largest river of India? Which rivers originates from Himalayas? Which rivers originates from Peninsula India? On which river world's highest earthen dam constructed? The capital of India is located on the bank of river Dash. Which river is called Sora of West Bengal? Which river is called Sora of Bihar? Which river is known as the Dihang or Siang in Arunachal Pradesh, Shangpo in Tibet, and Jamuna in Bangladesh? Largest delta of world. Watch this video from beginning to the end. You will come to know all the answers. Let's start. Major rivers of India: Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus or Sindhu, Luni, Sabarmati, Mahi, Narmada, Tapati, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Penna, Kaveri, and Periyar. Glossary. River: a channel flow of water running down the slope from high to low ground under the force of gravity that ultimately meet a large body of water, that is a lake or sea or ocean, is known as river. River basin: the area from which the water is collected by the main river and its tributaries is called river basin. River system: a river along with its tributaries is called river system. Delta: a more or less triangular or fan-shaped low-lying and level tract of land formed by deposition of alluvium at a river mouth where the river enters a relatively calm water body is known as delta. Source: this is the place where the river starts. Mouth: the place where a river flows into another body of water like a lake or sea or ocean. It may be very wide and estuary or split into smaller channels are called delta. Major rivers of India. Rivers of India are divided into two parts. One is Himalayan rivers, the second one is Peninsular rivers. Himalayan rivers: there are Ganga and its tributaries, Indus and its tributaries, Brahmaputra and its tributaries. Peninsular rivers again classified into two parts. One is the east flowing rivers, second is the west flowing rivers. East flowing rivers are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Penna, Kaveri and their tributaries. West flowing rivers are Narmada, Tapati, Mahi, Sabaramati, Luni, Periyar and their tributaries. Rivers of India: Ganga and the tributaries: Brahmaputra, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Penna, Kaveri, Periyar, Tapati, Narmada, Mahi, Sabaramati, Luni, Indus. These are the major rivers of India. Parts of river: source, tributaries, confluence, main river, meander, river mouth, delta, mouth, ocean, etc. Parts of rivers are explained here. The source is the starting point of the river. It could be a spring or a melting glacier or just an area where a lot of rainwater collects. The point where two rivers join is called confluence. The watershed is an imaginary line that separates one drainage basin from the next. Land that gets flooded when the river overflows is called the floodplain. Small rivers join the main one is they are called tributaries. All river flows down towards sea level even if they don't reach the sea. The river gets wider as you go from source to mouth. The river mouth is a place where the river flows into a lake or sea or ocean. The river flows in a channel. The river is fed by the rain that fall in the area inside the dash area. So this area is called a drainage basin. These are the parts of a river. A river flowing from its origin we see now. River Ganga. Its source is Gangotri Glacier near Gomukh, Uttarakhand. Mouth Bay of Bengal. Tributaries are Yamuna, Ramganga, Gomati, Gandak, Son, Koshi, Chambal, Ghagra, Damodar, etc. Its length is 2525 kilometers. The major cities which lie on the bank of River Ganga are Varanasi, Haridwar, Prayagraj, Kolkata, Patna, Kanpur, Gazipur, Allahabad, Rishikesh and Delhi. River Ganga rises in the Gangotri Glacier near Gomukh, 7010 meters height in Uttarakhand. Here it is known as Bhagirathi. At Devaprayag, the Bhagirathi meets the Alakananda. Hereafter it is known as the Ganga. Ganga is the largest river of India. Devaprayag is the place where Alakananda and Bhagirathi joins each other. Where two rivers join, that area we call as a confluence. This is a confluence area. Gomukh source of river Ganga. Indus or Sindhu. Source near Manasaro Lake, Bakhurchu in Tibet. Mouth Arabian Sea near port city of Karachi. Tributaries are Jhelum, Chanab, Ravi, BS, Satluj, Jaskar, Dras, Gartang, Shiak, Lubra. Length is 2880 kilometers, whereas in India it is only 709 kilometers. Major cities which lies in the bank of river Indus are Leh, Skardu, Dashu, Hyderabad and Karachi of Pakistan. Clip of river Indus. Brahmaputra river. Source is Semayang Glacier in Kailash range. Mouth Bay of Bengal. Tributaries are Lohit, Tista, Dihang, Manas, Dihing, Subansiri. Length is 2900 kilometers. In India only 900 kilometers. Major cities which lies in the bank of river Brahmaputra are Dibrugarh, Guwahati, Sirajganj, Dhubri, Tezpur, Jorhat. It is known as Sangpo in Tibet, Dihang or Siang in Arunachal Pradesh, Brahmaputra in Assam and Jamuna in Bangladesh. Combined stream of Ganga and Brahmaputra forms the biggest delta in the world, the Sundarbans, covering an area of 40,000 square kilometers. Its major part is in Bangladesh. Clipping of river Brahmaputra. River Mahanadi. Its source is Sihawa, north foothill of Dandakaranya. Mouth is False Point, Bay of Bengal. Tributaries are Tel, Ib, Mond, Ung, Jung, Siunath. Length of 857 kilometers. The major cities which lies on the bank of river Mahanadi are Katak, Sambalpur, Sonpur, Bodhgar, Subhalaya and Rajim. The world's longest earthen dam is Hirakud Dam of Orissa. It constructed across the river Mahanadi. Clipping of Hirakud Dam and Mahanadi at Athamalik. Godavari River. Triambakam, source is Triambakam Plateau of North Sayadri near Nashik of Maharashtra. Mouth is Antarvedi, East Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh, that is joined Bay of Bengal. Tributaries are Panganga, Vardha, Vaiganga, Indravati, Savari and Manjira. Length of 1465 kilometers. Major cities which lies on the bank of river Godavari are Nashik, Nagpur, Rajahmundry, Bhadrachalam. The Godavari is the India's second longest river after Ganga. It is the largest river in Peninsula India, that is South India, and it had been dubbed as the Dakshin Ganga, that is Ganga of South. Clipping of river Godavari, Ramkund Nashik, bridge over Godavari Rajahmundry, cotton bridge to Dhabaleshwaram. Krishna river, source north of Mahabaleshwaram in Western Ghat, Maharashtra. Mouth Hamsala Devi, Bay of Bengal. Tributaries are Bhima, Tungabhadra, Ghataprabha, Malaprabha, Mushi and Koyana. Length of 1400 kilometers. Major cities are Srisailam, Amaravati, Vijayawada and Shangli. Clipping of Prakasham barrage at Vijayawada and river Krishna. Narmada river. Source is Amarakantak Plateau. Mouth Gulf of Cambot, Arabian Sea. Tributaries are Hiran, Tawa, Banjar, Shar, Sakar, Burmar. Length of 1312 kilometers. Major cities which lies on the bank of river Godavari are Jabalpur, Vadodara, Barwani, Dharmapuri, Hasanabad, Budhni, Dindori, Narsinghpur. Clipping of Narmada river valley. River Tapati. Source is Multai, Satpura range. Mouth Arabian Sea. Tributaries are Purna, Betul, Ornavati, Ganjul. Length of 730 kilometers. Major cities are Surat, Burnapur, Nashik, Buswal, Dhule, Khandwa, Jalagan. Clipping of Tapti river at Betul, MP, and Surat and the bank of river Tapti. Sabarmati river. Source is Devar Lake, Mewar in Aravalli range. Mouth Gulf of Cambot, Arabian Sea. Tributaries are Hatmati, Sedi, Wakkal, Harnav, Shi, Vatrak. Length of 371 kilometers. Major cities river Sabarmati are Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar. Clipping of Sabarmati river. River Mahi. Source is Vindhya range of Madhya Pradesh. Mouth Gulf of Cambot, Arabian Sea. Tributaries are Som, Jhakam, Moran, Anas, Bhadar. Length of 533 kilometers. Major cities are Banswara, Vadodara. Clipping of river Mahi. Luni river. Source is Pushkar Valley of Aravalli range. Mouth lost in the Mercy ground at the head of the run of Kutch. Tributaries are Javai, Shukri, Guhiya, Bandi, Jojari. Length of 482 kilometers. Major cities are Ajmer, Barmar, Jalar, Jodhpur, Sirohi, Banaskant and Nagaur. This river does not join any sheer ocean. Clipping of river Luni. River Penna. Its source is Nandi Hills of Karnataka. Mouth Bay of Bengal. Tributaries are Pagangi, Chitravati, Cheyuru. Length of 597 kilometers. Major cities are Nelluru, Anantapur, Hindupur, Chikkavalapuram, Kadapa, Tadipatri and Pradaturu. Clipping of river Penna. River Kaveri. Its source is Brahmagiri range of Western Ghat. Mouth Bay of Bengal. Tributaries are Amaravati, Bhavani, Hemavati, Simsa, Arkavati, Kavani, Herongi. Length of 800 kilometers. Major cities are Tiruchirappalli, Talakaveri, Tanjavuru, Kambam Kannam, Srirangapatnam, Kusalnagar. Clipping of Kaveri river. Periyar river. Its source is Western Ghat, Periyar Tiber Reserve of Kerala. Mouth Arabian Sea. Tributaries are Muthira Puja, Mulliyaru, Idamala, Chiruthoni. Length of 244 kilometers. Major city is Koch. I hope you got all the answers for your questions. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please share it among your friends. And if you have any doubts, write in the comment box. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you once again.